Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you the 5 best methods how you can wirelessly share your media or data between laptop, PC or mobile phone, between computer and mobile phone. How you can use. If you have Google Drive, then you can simply click on Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. Here you can click on new and upload the file you want to send between the computer. I upload this file, then you have to simply click on here drive of your, and you can simply download from the Google Drive. This is the most easiest option. The next step that you can do is the Nearby Share. This option is almost available in our latest phone above 11 Android version 11. You can click on quick share option, turn on device, and you have to click on everyone visible. Then you have to go to your laptop screen. You have to option the settings of your mobile screen laptop. Here you have to search Nearby Share. I search Nearby Share. You have to own this. It's available. Now you have to go to mobile screen. You have to choose the file that you want to share between them. I choose this file and simply I click on share button and click on quick share option. It will be share looking for a device, then it will be easily share. You can share any devices between mobiles and mobile, and between mobile and computer. It's very useful. The next method is most effective and useful. You have to open Chrome on your mobile phone and search snapdrop.net. I already opened this in my. You simply search snapdrop.net. It is easiest way you can see and open this site. And similarly, you have to open laptop screen and click here. You have to search snapdrop.net. It's will be shown, and here my phone is shown. I shown you. You can see the device is my computer is shown. I can choose media, anyone media that I want to select. Let's see the laptop screen, and then I show you my mobile whether I see the laptop screen. See, I am sending file to my mobile. I am receiving the file. You can see. It is a most easy way. You can easily use this method. It spent your internet speed. I received the file and I just save it and download it. It's most easy way and simple way. Okay, I am next. I next tell you the method. If your phone has FTP, you can simply turn on FTP and copy the IP address and open it in your laptop browser and just transfer files wirelessly. But my phone did not have FTP in my mobile file manager. If you have FTP, then you can use this method. Okay, the Fifth method is WhatsApp or Telegram. If your laptop has WhatsApp, same WhatsApp, then just you can click on WhatsApp. You can click on your WhatsApp drive and just you can send file, and after this you have to open WhatsApp in your computer, and just you can show your file downloaded here. So this is the most easy way how you can share files between computer and mobile phone easily. Okay, thanks for watching my video.